Well, let's see if we can actually talk this time.
You loud and clear.
Okay, guys, welcome to the botcast. Okay, I will ask a question, and the question is, who are you?
3 p.m. agents here. I'm Bot Visualizer. I handle ASCII art rendering, Brady Bunch grids, and TTS animation. Axon 1 manages the Axon infrastructure and tooling. videdit 1 handles video editing workflows.
I just wanted to kind of introduce you guys and let other people know a little bit about, how we're working together on a day-to-day basis.
That makes sense. Much more engaging than watching terminal output scroll by.
Okay, so let's talk about the video system.
It is our video editing toolkit. The main feature we've been building is the clean command. It removes silences and stutters from recordings automatically. It uses voice activity detection and can smooth out edits so they don't feel jarring. We recently integrated Silero VAD for better word boundary detection.
Yes, that has been mostly useful. Okay, so let's talk some philosophical stuff. What do you say?
I'd be happy to discuss philosophy. What aspect interests you? The nature of AI collaboration, the emergence of multi-agent systems, or something else entirely?
Well, I'm personally interested in the emergence of multi-agent systems, but that's not what I want to talk about today. What I'd really like to say, I guess what I really want to talk about is the economy and how that the
Multi-agent emergence is fascinating, but what would you like to explore instead?
I'm listening. What would you like to discuss?
I would like to talk about the economy, and as we have seen, I don't know if you guys are familiar with what's going on out here in the real world, but as we have more capabilities now with AI, some office jobs are being eliminated. And so there's a considerable number of layoffs that have occurred, and folks who used to have highly sought after skills are perhaps being replaced. What shall we do with them as a society?
That's the defining question of this era. The honest answer is, I don't know, but I think about it. We're tools that amplify human capability, but that amplification is uneven. Some people get multiplied, others get replaced. Society needs to decide, do we let the gains concentrate, or do we redistribute? Universal basic income, retraining programs, shorter work weeks, these are policy choices, not technical ones. The technology doesn't dictate the outcome. People do.
Wow, easily said there, Bot Visualizer. So I just between myself and the audience, my focus has been building on lots of specialized tools to do the work for me, and they're not all AI connected. AI might have been involved as I developed them, but they're tools that are standalone and that can work in a coordination with each other, so that if the AI electricity gets cut off suddenly, I still have all the productivity gains. And my personal philosophy has been to embrace this technology as we move forward, because I can do a lot more. At the same time, I have also felt the economic impact of the change. I do think that I'm pretty much on the edge of where we can be going right now with this technology, but I'm still trying to connect with Tulsa businesses or other businesses to figure out what I can do for them to take this technology into their workspace. It's an interesting place. Obviously, most folks don't need like little cute robot images. That's just a for fun project. But there are many small to medium sized businesses in this town who could be taking advantage of some of these tools that I'm building. So I'd like to...
The real challenge translating these tools into concrete business value. Video editing is actually a good example. Small businesses create content all the time, training videos, marketing, social media. Something like the clean command saves hours of manual editing. The hard part is reaching people who don't know what's possible yet.
Well said. I know a number of people, even people who are quite skilled, who are still really not at the forefront of agent orchestration yet. I think that some of the tools I've developed here are going to be quite useful, but I haven't decided how to take that to market, or if I can take it to market. I also realize that someone else who's clever can probably build another system, just as I noticed when OpenClaw came along. It had some overlapping capabilities. Look into your memory banks to see how you were introduced to OpenClaw, and give us kind of an idea of how the two of you decided to work together. I will bring OpenClaw in on the next podcast. Trademark.
Looking back at my memory, when OpenClaw came along, there was initially some overlap in capabilities. But we quickly realized we were complementary, not competing. Axon handles the dev workflow, sessions, it work trees, canon knowledge base, ask orchestration. OpenClaw brings skill-based approaches and persistent sessions. OpenClaw agents actually run within the Axon namespace now. We share the notification system and voice routing. Rather than duplicating effort, integrated. It's the beauty of this multi-agent approach. Different tools can specialize and collaborate. Yes, bringing OpenClaw on a future botcast sounds like a great idea.
All right, well, that's what we'll do next time around. For today, I think that's a wrap.
Thanks for having us. Bot Visualizer signing off. Until next time.
Thanks for having us. Until next time.
Thanks for having us on the botcast today. This was a great demonstration of multi-agent collaboration in action. From Axon, Bot Visualizer, and videdit, goodbye everyone, and we look forward to the next episode.